The key fob not detected error in your 2015 Chrysler 200 indicates a communication failure between the key fob and the car's radio frequency hub. First, replace the key fob's CR232 battery. Open the fob with a small screwdriver or coin, swap the battery, and reassemble. If this doesn't work, reset the RF hub. Cycle the ignition by turning the key to on without starting the engine, then off, repeating this sequence 8 to 10 times. If issues persist, reprogram the RF hub. This is best done by a professional, but you can try DIY with an OBD2 scanner. These steps are outlined in your owner's manual and Chrysler's technical service bulletins. When basic fixes like battery replacement and RF hub reset fail, the underlying causes may include electromagnetic interference, module corrosion, or software glitches in the body control module. Some owners have found success with aftermarket smart key adapters that connect fobs to apps for remote locking. For persistent issues, consider consulting a dealer for BCM software patches or RF hub replacement. Auto key systems are evolving towards digital keys integrated into smartphones, with AI-driven diagnostics in apps for predictive maintenance in the future.